Hey guys, in today's video, I will be reviewing the top 8 best underwater drones in 2025. I made this list based on my personal experience, and I try to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Genino 150M Tether Titan Professional Underwater Drone. The Genino Titan Professional Underwater Drone is a cutting-edge submersible designed for deep-sea exploration and underwater documentation. With a maximum diving depth of 150 meters, it caters to both recreational enthusiasts and professional users requiring high-quality underwater imaging. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera featuring an 8-megapixel 1/2 5-inch CMOS sensor, the Titan captures stunning underwater visuals. Its ultra-wide 160 degrees field of view, combined with two 1500 lumen LED lights, ensures clear footage even in low light conditions. The drone's 6-thruster design, comprising 4 vertical and 2 horizontal thrusters, provides exceptional maneuverability, allowing for 360-degree movement and stable navigation in various underwater environments. The Titan's robust build includes anti-corrosion materials and a watertight design, ensuring durability in challenging conditions. Its 9,000-mAh lithium battery offers up to 4 hours of continuous operation, with the option to extend runtime using an external battery pack. Additional features such as depth and temperature sensors, a laser scaler, and compatibility with accessories like a robotic arm enhance its versatility for tasks ranging from marine research to infrastructure inspection. With its advanced capabilities and user-friendly interface, the Genino Titan Professional Underwater Drone stands out as a reliable tool for capturing high-quality underwater footage and conducting detailed explorations beneath the surface. Number 7 in my list is RiskOrb Remote Control Boat with Underwater Drone. The RiskOrb Remote Control Boat with Underwater Camera is a compact and engaging aquatic toy designed for both children and adults. Featuring a 480p HE waterproof camera, it allows users to capture real-time underwater footage, enhancing the exploration experience. The camera's FPV, first-person view, transmission enables live viewing on a connected mobile device, making it easy to record and share underwater adventures. Inspired by the streamlined form of a manta ray, the boat's bionic integrated design reduces water resistance, ensuring smooth navigation. Its dual high-efficiency motors and removable mechanical tail contribute to stable and agile movement across calm water surfaces such as pools and ponds. The boat operates within a 40-foot control range, managed by a 2.4 GHz remote controller that facilitates forward, backward, and turning motions. User-friendly and ready to operate upon water contact, the RiskOrb boat eliminates the need for complex assembly. Its durable construction and ease of use make it an ideal gift for children aged 8 and above, as well as beginners seeking an introduction to remote-controlled aquatic exploration. Whether for recreational play or casual underwater observation, this RC boat offers a delightful and accessible experience for users of varying ages. Number 6 in my list is Thor Robotics Underwater Drone. The Thor Robotics Dragonfish 200H is a professional-grade remotely operated underwater vehicle, ROV, designed for deep-sea exploration and industrial applications. Available in 2 configurations, it offers maximum diving depths of either 100 meters or 300 meters, catering to various operational needs. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera featuring a 45 degrees pitch and roll capability, the Dragonfish 200H ensures high-quality visual documentation of underwater environments. Two 2200 lumen LED searchlights provide ample illumination, enhancing visibility in dark or murky waters. The ROV's propulsion system comprises 4 horizontal and 2 vertical thrusters, delivering a horizontal thrust of 14 kgf and vertical thrust of 9 kgf, allowing for precise maneuverability and stability. A built-in 9-axis electronic compass and Honeywell pressure sensor enabled real-time monitoring of orientation and depth, while automatic depth and orientation functions facilitate ease of operation. The Dragonfish 200H also includes a leak detection circuit, ensuring safety during missions. The ground station features a 14-inch LCD screen displaying vital information such as power levels, date, time, depth, temperature, and humidity. The system supports both battery power, offering 2 to 4 hours of operation, and AC power supply modes. A 100-meter control cable with a tensile strength of 60 kilograms provides reliable connectivity between the ROV and the ground station. Number 5 in my list is Thor Robotics RAV new underwater drone. This is a real traditionalist's underwater explorer robot, which is not only very capable, but looks the part too. It's not actually quite as big as it might seem at first glance, though viewed from above it's about the size of a letter. Control is via a generous 300 meters cable, supplied on a reel, and an iOS or Android app, unless you opt for the ground station. There is none of the design elegance of the PowerVision products. This is a device designed not in reference to aerodynamic drones and consumer products, but professional ones. In order to give it the strength to do a job, the body houses 4 thrusters, meaning you can get enough force and direction behind the robot arm to lift up to 10 kilograms of objects from beneath the waves. You might choose, for example, to assist environmental projects by lifting debris or litter, or you might fancy beating coastal metal detectorists by grabbing valuables before they wash up on the shore. You can see what you're doing from the camera, though oddly the focal length is such that the hands themselves are too near to be in perfect focus, not to the extent it'll slow you down though. You can also record in 4K UHD onto the camera, which provides 1080p live feedback as you explore the depths, illuminated by 2 1000 lumen LEDs. Thor Robotics can also provide specially tailored versions with a ground station or even longer cables. Number 4 in my list is PowerVision Powerray Wizard Underwater Drone. Traveling underwater is not a friendly environment for the high-frequency radio used for the live video feedback on aerial drones. So the Powerray is provided with a 70 meters, 230 feet, umbilical cable that gently rests behind it, as it's propelled by its 2 horizontal props. The body also features a central vertical thruster to make changing depth a straightforward process that won't cause tangling of the communication cable. The depths can be a murky place, even the first few meters, so the ray adds 2 dimmable 450 lumen headlight lights to illuminate your subject, which can be captured in 4K, 30 FPS max, or 4000 by 3000 pixel stills. With a maximum ISO of 1600, the camera is more than capable in the depths the Powerray can manage, though the 1/2 3-inch sensor could be bigger in a perfect world. 32 or 64 GB SD storage is provided depending on the version you choose, or you can put your own card in. There is a Powerray Explorer, which is the basic video shooting drone, and a more expensive Powerray Wizard Edition, which adds the Power Seeker sonar device, which can detect the underwater landscape and use temperature data to identify fishing hotspots, bait dropper, and a carry-on friendly travel case and Zeiss VR1 goggles, which provide an alternative means of exploring the depths from the deck. The latter isn't just good fun. It makes enjoying the 1080p live feedback easier than on your phone screen on a bright day, although the price differential between the Explorer and Wizard versions is considerable in some stores. Number 3 in my list is Chasing Dory Underwater Drone. This is in many respects a smaller version of Chasing's Gladius Mini. It's certainly the same striking yellow, and pleasingly incorporates the maneuverable 5-thruster design. This makes it possible to tilt the body, and by extension, the camera, up and down. If you think that might make it hard to control, worry not. The depth lock feature is retained from its bigger brother too. Firstly, the camera is a more modest 1080p, supported by only 250 lumens of light. At shallower depths, this shouldn't be an issue. Secondly, the umbilical is significantly shorter, though the surface end is actually a floating Wi-Fi buoy, so you can throw it in the water, and so long as you're within Wi-Fi range of it, admittedly not far given the water, you have control, maximizing the use of the 15 meters, 50 feet, tether. Finally, that control is all on screen using the app, so there is no physical controller unit. That means you'll need to be cautious of getting water on the touchscreen. But on the plus side, the battery is contained in the drone and the only element you'll need to charge. And the 720p live feed is ideal for piloting with. For most, this will be all the underwater drone needed, and the app is well featured, even supporting live streaming to social media. This could make a boat trip more fun, or even add educational value to exploring lakeside pools. Number 2 in my list is Fifish V6 Expert M200 underwater drone. The Fifish is available as a standard V6, and the V6S includes the robot arm accessory. On its own, this is a good quality ROV with a 100 meters maximum depth and tether to match. The controller is reminiscent of a drone controller, with a space for a phone as a monitor. It's easy to use, and the posture lock, hover, maintains position accurately. But we did wonder why the pad was plain white, a touch too generic. It does have a lock depth button, like hover, however, which is useful to have easy access to. In fact, many of the features, 4K camera and dual 2000 lumen lights, are more costly elsewhere, and this may be the most wallet-friendly way to add a robot claw with over 5 kilograms, 11 ohms, gripping force to your underwater expeditions. This will be ideal for positioning other equipment remotely or attempting to grip and lift seafloor discoveries. There is also now a sleek black Expert edition of this drone with 6,000 lumen lighting and the option of onshore power for longer missions, and other accessories on offer including sonar sensors. We must admit we like the option of VR head tracking. The drone looks with you, and appreciated that a cable reel was in the bundle. Number 1 in my list is Chasing Gladius Mini Underwater Drone. The Chasing Innovation Gladius Mini is supplied in a nice backpack, like one a photographer might use to carry a body and lenses, with a laptop in a separate bay. Setting up is reasonably easy. An included towel means you can set the drone down on sharp coastal rocks safely. On the downside, the protective caps for the 50 meters or 100 meters tether cable are easily lost. But otherwise, the drone is solidly built and can be thrown into the sea after setup, and can easily take a few knocks underwater. The bright color is easily spotted too. Smart features include depth lock, like altitude hold on a flying drone, and there is 64 gigabytes storage to record. The 5 thrusters make the drone quick to respond, useful as you need to tilt the body up or down to look around. You can lock the pitch, but the camera and accompanying 1,200 lumen lights cannot be separately turned, making this a real pilot's craft and fun with it. The thoughtful app is easily operated and VR compatible, and the 4K camera produces great results. Our only complaint is that in rougher seas, the image stabilization could be better. Overall, though, it's a great product. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.